Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to CLARA. CLARA is a new project which is quite interesting. CLARA is multilingual contrastive learning for audio representation acquisition. It is a project designed to enhance machines' understanding of the implicit aspect of speech. It aspires to develop a comprehensive pre-trained model dedicated to auditory communication. It is still a project under development. I tried to implement it in Google Colab and also on my local system, but it was riddled with bugs. So I think it will take a bit of a time to get it more mature and stable. Even the pip install doesn't work in Google Colab. Anyway, but that aside, the project is quite interesting. If you look at their GitHub repo, it is full of very useful information. Now the problem what it is trying to solve is quite generic. Multilingual speech processing requires understanding emotions, a task made difficult by limited labeled data. I have always felt that how AI voice recognition needs to be able to understand nuanced emotion and emphasis, and that is where I believe this new model can help. CLARA minimizes reliance on label data, enhancing generalization across languages. It excels at fostering shared representations, aiding cross lingual transfer of speech and emotions, even with the little data. Their approach adeptly captures emotional nuances in speech, overcoming subjective assessment issues. Using a large multilingual audio corpus and self supervised learning, CLARA developed speech representations enriched with emotions, advancing emotion aware multilingual speech processing. Their method expands the data range using the data augmentation, textual embedding for visual understanding, and transfers knowledge from high to low resources language. CLARA demonstrates excellent performance in emotion recognition, language comprehension, and audio benchmarks, excelling in zero shot and few shot learning. It adapts to low resource languages, marking progress in multilingual speech representation learning. I will drop the link to this paper and this GitHub repo in the video description. Have a read and let me know what you think. As I mentioned earlier, I think this focus on enabling us to recognize these nuanced subtleties in the audio, this is going to be huge in my humble opinion, because CLARA seems to be a novel framework for multilingual learning of speech and emotion representation, because it adeptly assimilates shared representations harmonized across diverse linguistic landscape, fostering a transference of learned attributes to novel language and task. So there is a lot of other nuggets in this paper. For example, they have said that this approach eliminates the need for creating new data sets where both audio and video must be present, allowing them to use existing audio data set where video data is unavailable. Amazing stuff. That's it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network. Thanks for watching.